Good morning, guys. Welcome to the episode. So today I've got an issue with the Carpenter bees. I've got them drilling holes in my shop. So what I'd like to do is build some traps. And of course I'll plug those holes as well. They have they're out in full force. There's some swarming. I've tried to catch them on film, but I haven't been able to. So let me take you into the shop and I'll show you what we're going to do today. Okay, so I've got this 4x4. It's just a spare one I had left over from a project. So I'm going to cut off maybe 6 inches, 5 or 6 inches here, and we'll get started. All right, so I'm just going to measure this out. I'm going to go 6 inches right here. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is sand this so that it's easier to assemble later. All right, so next I'm going to take this square and kind of find center of of one end of this block. I'll do the same on the other. Okay. All right. Now on this end, this is a 3/4 inch mortise bit. So I'm going to drill this out. Okay. And then I'm going to take a 1/2 inch. I'm going to come up about, I don't know, 3/4 of an inch or so, 1/2 inch. And drill towards this chamber I just drilled. Maybe about 3/8 of an inch. And then I'm going to turn the bit and drill more, maybe at a 45, but still on the same line with that chamber. And you'll feel it as it gets into that chamber. So, and do the same thing on all 4 sides. Okay. And then I'm just going to go back through with the mortising bit just to clean it up on the inside a little bit. There we go. And you can hit these openings with the sander. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I've got a pint size wide mouth jar. So I'm kind of going to center it over the block, just right over that hole, just like that. And then I'm going to run a screw in it on the corner. You don't want to put it into your hole, so put it on the corner and you won't have to worry about that. Okay. Just make sure it stays centered there. And I'm going to put one on all 4 corners. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is take this uni bit and drill out the center of it, just right over that hole. It's my old Makita. Just like that. Okay. So that looks nice and clean. And then what I'm going to do to hang it, I'm just going to put one of these hooks on it. But I'm going to start me a hole there, make it a little easier to put that in. So I'm just going to do that. And then I'll just like that. You just put the pint-sized jar on it, and there's done. It's ready to hang. So I will, I'll show you, I've done 3 of these. So let me grab those right quick and I'll show those to you. All right, there it is. I put one here. I've gone through and plugged all of the holes I could find where the bees had bored out. I put one over here. This seems to be their favorite spot, right here. And there were a lot of holes up in there, so I plugged those. So hopefully I'll keep an eye on it, see how well it's doing, but anything will be better than what they've been doing. Anyway, thanks for coming by the shop. God bless you, and I'll see you next time.